BND logo bloopers number 2, aka Vid Digital. Cut. BND? What's up? You're not allowed to have blue sparkly stuff. And you're not allowed to use Emersoft. Oops, sorry about that. Take 2. Extreme major cut, mega cut. The logo is burning. What are we gonna do, BND? I don't know. But you're not supposed to have a fire. Cut. Well, was I supposed to not have a fire in my logo? It's ruining my BND text. Alright. Get rid of the fire. Once we do that, let's have another shot. Take 3. Oh my gosh. Cut. What did I do now? I'll tell you, BND, you literally have dot like snow on your logo. Whoops, sorry about that. Let's have another shot. Take 4. What the heck? Cut. BND mask of glow shine. You're not supposed to have a sparkly pink purplish background. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Take 6, sorry. Yay! A bubble! Cut. You're not supposed to have bubbles in your logo, BND. Wrap it up now, or else I will send you to the BND of Doom logo. Whoops, I didn't know there was supposed to be bubbles. My fault. We'll have to get rid of the bubbles, and you're not gonna have to put bubbles. Once we do that, let's have another shot. Take 7. Extreme major cut. You're not supposed to have snow, just like I said in blooper 5. Sorry about that. Take 8. Cut. This is not it's not supposed to be pixelated. This is not a video game. This is a logo. Oh, sorry about that. I just didn't know. We'll have to take it from the top again. Take 9. Cut. BND, you're not supposed to have like puke in the background or whatever this is. You mean this is like something that I don't know? We'll have to take it again. Take it again, which is take 10. Oh no. Cut, mega cut. BND, you're not supposed to be YouTube poop and multiplied all BND logos. Whoops, we're very sorry about that. We'll have to get rid of all these BND logos. Once we do that, let's have another shot. Take 11.
No!
Cut. Why does it have to be Super Mario? It's not supposed to be Super Mario. And why did Mario just say duh, just like Homer Simpson? The mask is supposed to show up. Oops, sorry about that. Take 12.
Телекомпания «Вид» представляет.
Cut. Be backwards ID mask? Yes. You're not supposed to say Telecompanía de Extolde. It means this is Vid TV. You're not supposed to have snow and this ain't Christmas. Sorry about that. Take 13. Cut. You're not supposed to put in the custom Deke Entertainment logo. You're supposed to put in the stick, the ball, not the Deke logo with a kid in bed. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? And why did it just turn into a real life person? Oh, because I really wanted to think it was a real life person, and I wanted to turn into one. My fault. Well, let's just try again. Take 14. Cut. Where's the music? Why is it just showing a picture of the 2013 BND logo? Well, because I wanted to turn into the new BND mask. My fault. Well, take 15. Cut. What is Patrick the Pruhead? You mean Kaz and DHX doing here? We're just trying to look for Screen Gems. Sorry, but Screen Gems is not here. Okay. We'll have to take this from the top again. Take 16. Cut. Class Geek Soup, what are you doing here? Time for Rugrats. Well, Rugrats isn't here, so get out of here. Okay. Alright. Let's try it again. Take 18. Cut. Skippy Peaches, what are you doing here on the BND logo? I'm looking for a Curious Bite and Jack in the Music Box. Well, Curious Bite is a Jack in the Music Box isn't here, so get out of the studio. Alright. Let's try it again. Take 19. Cut. Hit Entertainment, what are you doing here? I'm looking for Barney, BJ, and Baby Bombs. Well, Barney Friends isn't here, so leave the studio right now. I'm gonna give you one more chance, but if you screw up again, you're fired. That's it. Cut. That's it. BND, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. I don't want to hear nothing from you. Oh, darn it. I'm fired.